everyone, and welcome back to Microsoft Word. The next point that I want to cover is how to protect your document from editing. As you see here in the Home tab, but to deal with it, you go to Review tab, and as you see, you can see here there is protecting document. If you click on it, you will see an arrow of this is icon of a padlock. Then you click on it. As you can see, you scroll down on number 2, you tick editing restriction. Tick allow only this type of editing. Then you tick it. After ticking, you see on number 3, yes, start enforcing protection. You will see a dashboard where will be asked passwords. Enter a new password of optional. Let me type a default one and re-enter password to confirm. As you can see, the password is entered. Then I click OK. At this time, the document is protected. As you can see, guys, this document is protected, and you can't change anything about it. It is protected. If you try to click on space, you can't edit this document. As you can see, you can't edit, but for stopping protection, you click here, click on it, and they ask you to put a password and protect a document. Then you put the password that you have want to put in, and then you click OK. At this time, you can see the document is unprotected. But also be careful, if you forget the password, you can't recover it. Once you forget your password, the document is gone. And congratulations, now you are not just a beginner in Microsoft Word. You are learning professional level tools used in Microsoft Office and the companies. And in part 4, we learned mail merging. This mail merging, how to create a table of content automatically. We learned also section breaks, and also we learned how to protect a document. In the next part of our video, we'll go even deeper into advanced formatting, templates, and the productivity tricks. If you found this, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who wants to master Microsoft Word. Thank you for watching. See you.